Hi honey buns, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is talking about how I take down my crochet hair and how I basically clean my hair and prep it for some more crochet hair. So right now my hair has been styled in this curly bun for 2 weeks now, and yeah, it's the hair is like really frizzy now, and it feels not like hair anymore. It's like really kind of dry, and I know that my scalp needs some attention, my hair needs some moisture, so I'm about to take it down. But this is how it looked when I first put it in. You know, my edges was laid. It was real sleek and cute. I really like this hairstyle on me. I'm definitely gonna do it again. But yeah, so it was just some 20-inch Kima Kalan hair in the size large, and the color is black, and I'll put the link down in the description box for anybody who wants to purchase it. It's very convenient and cheap if you want to have a hairstyle for a couple of weeks. So yeah, my first step with taking the crochet hair down is to cut the hair to make it easier for me to like get to my real hair. And I pretty much cut it like I feel for where my real hair is. I have my real hair in a bun underneath all this, so I just feel for the bun and I cut the crochet hair right where the bun ends. And then the next step is for me to remove the scrunchie that is tied around my real hair, because when I remove that, it's gonna release the bun, so my hair will be loose, and it'll make it easier for me to slide those strands of crochet hair off of my real hair. And yeah, that's what I'm doing next, is just finding all those loose crochet curls and just sliding them off my real hair. And that's like the most difficult part. I kind of hate this part, but it was actually pretty easy this time. It's easy to find my hair at this point because my hair is not naturally black and my crochet hair is black, so I can just look for the black hair. So yeah, after that I just get some massaging and rubbing my scalp because it ain't had no attention in 2 weeks, and it just it really needs it. You could just see how bad my hair gets after 2 weeks of not being able to moisturize it or rub my scalp or decondition. I'm not like gonna go through the whole process of like the oil treatment and shampoo and deconditioning and all that, because I already have a video up of me doing that. But if you want to see that video, the link is right there in the top right corner of the video, so click on that if you want to see how I do my hot oil treatment, how I shampoo my hair. I do it in sections, I decondition it in sections and everything. That's what I'm about to go do off camera. And my hot oil treatment is just me spraying water on my hair, drenching it in water, and then slathering a lot of olive oil on it, and then wearing a plastic bag on my head for an hour. Then I shampoo my hair, my whole head, not just my roots, all of my hair, and detangle it in sections, and then I rinse it and apply apply regular conditioner and let it sit while I wash up in the shower. And then I rinse that and I decondition for an hour, and all the products that I use will be in the description box as well. So after I have rinsed my deconditioner out, I apply my leave-in conditioner. I part my hair is already in 4 sections, and then I part each individual section into 2 parts. I detangle the hair with my smaller tooth comb so I can really get, you know, all of to all of the small tangles in my hair. And then I actually band my hair. And I band my hair with just a regular ouchless scrunchie. And if you don't know how to band your hair, basically start at the root like you're about to put it in a ponytail, but instead of wrapping the whole scrunchie around the root, you move down a little bit down the hair strand as you wrap it. And then when I get to the ends are really thin, so I just twist those. And yeah, that's how I band my hair. And I'm banding it because I want to stretch my hair so I can be able to put it into another ponytail or bun so that I can apply crochet hair again. After all of the hair is banded, I just oil my scalp with this little applicator bottle. And my applicator bottle has a mixture of sweet almond oil, grape seed oil, and olive oil in it. And then I just wrap my scarf around my head and I let my hair dry overnight. The next day, I unwrap my hair, I take all of the scrunchies off my hair, and I pick my hair out completely, get rid of the parts that I put in my head, and that's it. After that, I'm just gonna get ready for the next crochet style. If I want to wear another curly bun, then I'm about to slick my hair up into a bun. If I want to wear 2 puff balls, then I'm about to part my hair into 2 sections and put 2 buns in my hair. So yeah, that's what I do. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please thumbs up, comment what you think, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.